Hi guys, Autumn here today to do a unboxing for Bookworm books. One of them I won in a giveaway, and the other two I just bought. They recently just started doing their special editions of books. So I won one, which I'm gonna unbox first. I thought it would be easy to rip. It's not, so I'm just gonna cut. Oh, it's correct. And little wrapping paper, or it's in the bag. So this is the one I won in a giveaway, and that is Whatever Happens by Macaulay Smelter. This is a YA book. I read this last year when it came out. I mean, um, yeah, last year. This follows Violet and Finley. They're next door neighbors, and Finley, if I remember correctly, is autistic, and they form a relationship, and it's super cute. The cover, it is signed. Can't really see that, but it is signed. Um, and this is a limited edition of this. I did win this from the author, so I'm excited to add this to my Macaulay collection, because if you watch this channel, you know she's one of my favorite authors. So, yes. And the other two I bought. Oh, I also got, things. I got some chapstick. I got a bazooka gum, which I am a huge fan of. I got this little keychain, some cards, another card, some this, another piece of bazooka airhead, and a button. Can't really see. And this cool little tin says "Live 1,000 Lives." Then I also got Dear Ava by Isla Madam Mills. I read this earlier this year, gave it 5 out of 5 stars. One of my favorite books of the year I've read. It is signed, and I don't own the original copy of this, but I saw that they had this, and I was like, a signed copy for $15? Sign me up. So I got this. This fall is a new adult sports romance football that follows Ava, who was sexually assaulted, and she doesn't really know who it is. And then she gets this letter saying that they believe her because everyone in her school doesn't, and they blame her, and it's their story. And I really like the back. You can't really see, but there's the football star. And I highly recommend this book if you're really interested. If it's still on sale, I'll leave the link down below. Yes, I'll leave the link down below for this one too, if it's available. And then the last one I got was Violet Delights by Jessica Hawkins. I also read this book this year. This is book 1 in the White Monarch series. Yes. And I gave this 4 out of 5 stars. It is signed. But again, I saw this. I really enjoyed the cover. It's cute. But it was also $15. So, yeah. And then I also have some other goodies in here. We have the book, The Blood Court We have a bookmark. Then we have this Bookworm box. Oh, use code. Oh, that's cool. So it tells me who it's by, and then I could use this coupon code for 15% off my first subscription box. Then other little postcard. Or are these free books? These might be actually free ebooks. That one might be. That one's not. Because it has a little QR code. And then we have another thing. Another book. And then we have another card. We had another bookmark that has a coupon code for jewelry. Then we have a pen. Then we also have a coloring book, which is cool that they threw this in. It's a Meredith Wild coloring book. I've not read a Meredith Wild book, but it's super cute. And that is all of the books I got from the Bookworm. And I'm super excited to have these. As I said, I won this one in a giveaway, and then I bought these two. So if I didn't win this one, I would have bought it. So yes. But those are my Bookworm purchases, and I got a lot more than I was expecting, because I was not expecting swag and stuff. So yes, really like the Bookworm. I just don't subscribe to it because I do Romance Reveal and Belle books. But maybe I'll try the Bookworm box using this code for 15% off. But anyways, yes, I'll leave the links down below if you're interested, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!